Talk about finding rhythm, after a day off, peaking at the right time.
You know how my luck changed, but I think the boys showed some great character after losing 3 games. I think we put our best performance in the Seychelles game and today as well. I think the bowlers, from the first over, got us some momentum. We kept on taking wickets. Wasn't an easy wicket to bat. Good toss to lose, and I think it was a decent score to chase. We kept our nerves, and I think Amriti gave us a great start. We needed one big game from him as well, and got there in the end.
There was a moment in the game that we all felt that you led the side really well. When Shoaib Malik and Misbah were batting, Harbhajan Singh has been the best in the tournament. He bowled that 1 over, and then you held him back and you kept everybody else bowling. Was that a conscious effort not to bring back Harbhajan Singh at that moment in time?
See, every time I needed Bajji, he's always stepped up. And, there are times where other people have to step up. I think according to conditions, I thought it was easier for batsmen to play off spinners. And the ball going away was tougher ball. That's why Irfan came and bowled 3 overs. So I think you have to assess the situation. And I thought 160 was a good total to chase on this wicket, nothing more than 160. So I think we planned really well. We executed. And I think that's the reason why we, won in the end.
How have you enjoyed this tournament, and how have you enjoyed getting back runs, memories for everybody else?
I don't think there's any better feeling than coming and winning the game for India. That's our passion. I think you always say that it's been so many years. It's hard to get back on the field, but as I said, no better feeling. I think Australia, Pakistan were really good teams in the tournament. We had to play some really good cricket to beat them, which we did. And especially Pakistani bowling, we had to really plan well to beat them. Great experience, great being in Birmingham. The crowd is outstanding. And I think it's a great venue. Many congratulations to WCL for putting this tournament together. And I think they worked very hard, and they could not have had a better India-Pakistan final. It's great for the league, and I think everybody enjoyed the tournament and going back with the trophy.
Well, I won't take a moment longer. Go and join the rest of the